Today we are reviewing some great LED panels that are affordable, that you can buy on Amazon. They are from Neewer. They were sent to me by the company. However, here on this channel is always honest reviews, always. But I was happy to test this product for them because in the past year, since I've begun this adventure, I've bought many accessories from Neewer, and I was always happy for the price with the performances. So, with no further ado, let's begin this review. The LED panels comes in a product box, which is not a brown plain box like most Neewer product. That was a surprise. This is the model NL-660. This is the number of LED lights. It uses 40 watts and it is bicolor. Neewer does sell another LED panel that resembles this one but has a fewer number of LED lights. A carrying case is provided, which is pretty practical if you need to bring the panels with you. You also find all the instruction in the box, all the adapters that you need, and the LED panel. Barn doors are also provided in the box so you can create a beam spread of light, and they are made of metal. In fact, the build quality of the old panel is great. I have nothing bad to say about it. On the back, you can plug the AC adapter, but you can also use some batteries. You have to use NP-F550 or NP-F970 batteries that are not included in this pack, but I add them from a ring light from Neewer. And you will need also to buy a charger. And if you don't need batteries for your studio, these lights can be very practical if you have a blackout at your home, and we did miss electricity for 2 whole days, and these were lifesaver, if I will say. We were able to eat and play because of these lights. You could also use these portable panels around the house for project or construction work. There is 2 slots for batteries on the panel, but you can use only one if you want, because they work in parallel. You can choose with the switch if you want to work on the batteries or with the AC adapter. Like I said earlier, there is 660 LED bulbs on this panel. However, half of them are white and half of them are yellow. The color temperature will range from tungsten to full daylight. However, you can have any combination between the two, but since the controls are manual, it can be kind of difficult to set a really perfect temperature for your lighting. You can completely remove the barn doors by unscrewing the screws. This is essential because you have your mount bracket on this panel, which is very practical to angle the light. However, the barn doors come in conflict with the support. So by removing them, you can angle down the panel. What you have to understand with a bicolor panel like this is the fact that if you are only planning to use daylight, for example, then you will only have half of the LED lights and half of the power. So if you want higher lumen lighting, you could prefer to buy a single color LED light panel. A white removable diffuser is also included. This will not do a job like a softbox, but it is necessary just to have softer shadows. All in all, the Neewer NL-660 are great LED panels. I have nothing really bad to say about them. The build quality is good. The color temperature is great. You can control it. The color accuracy is over 96 for the CRI. There's nothing really bad to say about it for the price. If you need some lights for your YouTube studio, these are great, and there's nothing else I can say about that. The bundle that I have received came with some light stands. This light stand is not the most sturdy light stand in the world, but it works great with these panels because they are quite light. If you want bigger light stand, Neewer sells them, but you will need a bigger footprint. Now I have powered up one of the LED panel. It is sitting up high at 45-degree angle from me. This is the key light. Right now, as you can see, I'm well lit on one side. which gives me a cinematic look with the shadow on the other side. However, I have too much shadows here. These are not big soft box, so the shadows will always be a bit harsh. After that, what I will add is the second LED panel, and this is why I think it's good to buy two of them or to buy the bundle. So this is the fill light. It fills the shadows from my main key light. It's at the lowest power possible. I'm using the barn doors just to have the lights hitting my face here, just to play with the shadows, but I don't want to illuminate all the room. I have 3 points of light: the key light, the fill light, and I have my backlight also. So I think in the end I have quite a good visual. I'm not a pro. I can, with color grading and with a better camera and better lens, I could have even a better image. It looks way better than using the ring light because I have some shadows. I'm not all illuminated. If you liked this video, please leave a like, comment maybe, and think about subscribing. See you next time. It was Tech Dad. Ciao!